Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching Livelaw. In this video, we bring you news from the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where the court has made a very serious observation about what has come to be termed by the media as bulldozer justice. The court has also addressed the issue, raising concerns about, quote, the exercise of ethnic cleansing being conducted by the state. As you know, on the 3rd of August 2023, communal violence broke out in Nuh, Haryana and spread to Gurugram. Soon after, the Haryana state authorities have reportedly demolished several illegal shanties, temporary shops and certain concrete structures, allegedly belonging to persons involved in communal violence, which happened last week. On the 7th of August 2023, the Punjab and Haryana High Court took Suo Motu Cognizance of the newspaper reports regarding the ongoing demolition drive in Nuh and Gurugram, which were started after the communal clashes. A two-judge bench of Justice G.S. Sandhavalia and Justice Harpreet Kaur Jeevan issued notice of motion, and the Advocate General of Haryana, Mr. B.R. Mahajan, and Ms. Shruti Jain Goyal, the senior DAG, accepted the notice on behalf of the state. The court in its order noted that the news items in the Times of India and the Indian Express show that demolitions are being carried out in two districts, Nuh and Gurugram of Haryana. The court also observed that the newspaper reports quoted the Home Minister of Haryana himself as saying that bulldozers are a part of Ilaj, which in Hindi means treatment, since the government is probing the communal violence. Right after mentioning the Home Minister's statement, the court mentioned a quote by Lord Acton saying, and I quote, "Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely." Considering these allegations, the bench said, and I quote, "It is in such circumstances we are constrained to issue notice to state, as it has come to our notice that the state of Haryana is using force and is demolishing buildings on account of the fact that some riots have occurred in Gurugram and Nuh." The court further noted that certain buildings are being brought down by the government without any demolition orders and notices, and the law and order problem is being used as a ruse to bring down buildings without following the procedure established by law. The court also addressed the issue if a particular community is being targeted in these demolitions. The order further reads, and I quote, "The issue also arises whether the buildings belonging to a particular community are being brought down under the guise of law and order problem, and an exercise of ethnic cleansing is being conducted by the state." The court observed that it is of the considered opinion that the Constitution of India protects the citizens of this country, and no demolitions can be done without the procedure which is prescribed by the law. It issued directions to the state of Haryana to furnish an affidavit as to how many buildings have been demolished in the last 2 weeks, both in Nuh and Gurugram, and whether any notice was issued before the demolition. The court also asked the state to stop such demolitions if the proper procedure was not followed. The court said in its order, and I quote, "If any such demolition is to be carried out today, it should be stopped if the procedure is not followed as per law." The court has also appointed Advocate Kshitiz Sharma as amicus curiae to assist the court on the issue involved. The court will hear this motion on August 11, and we intend to bring you updates from the court as soon as we can. If you'd like to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. If you found the video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. If you'd like to support the work we do here, please consider joining our channel as a member for only ₹89 per month.